LLOYD'Z Motor Works. So we just finished up a performance week up here. We had 34 awesome customers come by and get their bikes work done. Guys, appreciate it very much. Without you, we wouldn't exist. So we're sitting around thinking, and we come to a conclusion that Charlotte needs its own performance week. So we're going to do that June 24th to June 29th. Everybody that makes an appointment will get a autographed Lloyd's Garage shirt from me. I'm going to give 3 performance seminars, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday of that week. We're going to discuss in detail cams and the discussions that have been occurring online about cams. We're going to cover all those bases. So I see that there's some information that isn't quite factual and complete out there. We're going to fill in all the blanks for you, good, bad, or indifferent. We're going to release a couple new products that week. We're going to have our open house Friday and Saturday of that week with our 1-year anniversary party on Saturday. So please come by, join us for that. We're going to have a horsepower contest. I promise I won't enter any of my bikes in it, but we'll have some giveaways and some certificates for those highest horsepower guys out there. So please book your appointment with Richie at Indian Motorcycle Charlotte. Stop by and see us. Come to the performance seminar. Come buy some new bikes. Have a drink with us. Shake our hands. Say hello. But we're looking for 50 to 60 this week. Let's blow this one out of the water. So come on, make your appointment. Let's get together and have a good time.